Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted files and folders in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we are going to need to download a software. So go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store. Now, in the section, just find Windows File Recovery. Okay, this one. Just click on this app. Wait for it and just click on install. All right. Wait for the process to finish. And then once that's installed, just click on open. Click on yes right here as there'll be a pop-up. Now your command prompt will open and it will look like this. Okay. Now you can close Microsoft Store. Now it may seem daunting, okay, but it's actually pretty easy to use. All right. So what you're going to do basically is just type down WinFR space. For example, I'm going to open up File Manager right here. For example, your file was deleted under Drive C. Okay. Let's say you have it under Users. All right. Maybe under your username or desktop from this folder. Okay. So you can just go ahead and type down Drive C space what? The destination, as it says here clearly. So for example, I have here this drive, which is free. Volume E or Drive E. Well, to explain this to you, you cannot recover a file from Drive C and then put it to Drive C as well. You'll have to recover the file from Drive C and put it to another drive. So if you don't have another drive right here, just plug in a flash drive or external drive. Okay, so once that's done, again, I'm going to type down E right here, E:, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and hit on space, / okay. Now we have these modes, regular or extensive. If I were you, if you have all the time in the world, you could use extensive right here, okay. Thorough recovery option suitable for all file systems. So this is the best. So just type it down, extensive, hit on space again. And then once that's done, actually, you can just hit on enter and just wait for the process to finish. If you want to be more precise, okay, if you want to save more time, you can hit on space right here again, space, and type down /. After the /, type down N, then space. So what do we do next? So you can go ahead and find the specific file folder where the file or specific file was deleted. Okay. So for example, as I've said earlier, for example, we have this user, then under desktop, I have deleted the file from this file folder. So go ahead and open up the folder. Now click on the directory box right here. Okay. Now go ahead and copy just this thing. Do not include C:/ or /. Just this thing, as this one right here is under C. Again, we are trying to recover a file from Drive C. So once that's done, just paste that in here. All right. And then after that, you can hit on enter and just wait for the process to finish. But if you want to save more time, okay, go ahead and type down space /n space. And if you know the file type, for example, it was a JPEG or a PNG, a PDF, MP4, you can just type it down in here. Okay. So go ahead and type down space * dot, for example, PDF or dot MP3 or dot PNG or JPEG. All right. And then once that's done, just hit on enter. All right. So just wait for the process to finish right here. And as you can see, it asks you to continue, yes or no. So destination folder will be on Drive E, as I've shown you earlier. The source drive is from Drive C. Okay, and this is the filter. Use the folder and the specific file type. All right, so continue, press Y. Now, as you can see here, it is now scanning and processing the disk. Just wait for it. So as you have entered it clearly right here, you want just the JPEG file. It won't take long. All right. And as you can see here, it is now trying to scan. Just wait for it. So as you can see, I've got a ton of recovered PNG images, JPEGs, or whatever. If you got this message right here to overwrite or skip or always overwrite or never overwrite or even keep both, okay? Just to select from one of these letters. For example, I'm going to keep both always. So I'm going to press B. There you go. View recovered files. Well, press Y. There you go. Here we now have the file folder. So this is from this PC, drive E right here, as you may have remembered. This one. Okay, just basically locate the specific images. As you can see here, the photo they've deleted long ago is still here. All right. But there'll be some photos that will be just like this. Okay. This. It's kind of blurry, but you can just go ahead and work through the file right here. All right. Open up all folders and you'll be able to see your specific file. And there you have it. That is how you recover permanently deleted files and folders in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.